everyone, in today's video I decided to do something a little bit out of my comfort zone and do this bright purple and blue colourful look. If you like this look and want to see how I got it, then please keep watching. So first of all, I'm going to do my eyebrows using the same MAC pencil I always use. Doesn't matter if you're a little bit messy when you're filling in your brows, because we're going to use concealer to clean up underneath them. The next thing I'm doing is just cleaning up under my eyebrow using some concealer on a flat brush. For this I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Now that I've wet my beauty blender, I'm just going to take this concealer all over my eyelid, as I'm going to use this as a base for my eyeshadow. So for my eyeshadow today, I've recently bought this BH Cosmetics palette called Take Me Back to Brazil. It's just a nice colourful palette and it's really cheap if you're looking for a cheap colourful palette. I think it was like $15 or something. So the first colour I'm going to take is this dark purple here. And I'm just going to pack that, into my crease. Then I'm going to take this lighter purple here on a fluffy blending brush just to blend out that darker purple. And I'm just going to use circular and backwards and forwards motions to blend this out. I'm also going to take this darker purple on my outer third of my eyelid. I'm just going to gently press that on. To deepen the purple up that I've just put on my outer corner, I'm now going to take this dark blue colour here. Again, just gently pressing. We're now going to cut the crease with the same Maybelline Fit Me concealer on the same flat brush. Well, cut half the crease. I'm taking another flat brush, and to set this concealer in place I'm taking this light bluey turquoisey colour here. I'm just pressing on that shadow to get as much pigment as possible. I'm then taking this light purple up here to blend in the blue colour with the purple on the outer corner. I'm just really gently wiggling backwards and forwards. Once I'm happy with my eye, I'm going to take some eyeliner and really thinly line the lid. I'm then going to tightline my eye using my Clarins pencil eyeliner. For my eyelashes today, I'm using my House of Lashes Sephora Collection lashes in the style Valentina. I'm just waiting 45 to 60 seconds for the glue to go tacky before I stick this down. I'm now going to quickly do my other eye off camera and then I'll be back. Now that I've finished my eyes, I'm going to go on to my face, and for my foundation today I'm using my Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. I'm just going to buff that all over my face using my beauty blender. conceal under my eyes, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm also going to use this to neaten up the eyeshadow. And then again, I'm just going to blend that in with my damp beauty blender. To set that concealer, I've just bought the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, so I'm going to try that out today. I'm just taking that on my beauty blender and patting it under my eyes. I'm also going to take this all over my face to set my foundation on a big fluffy powder brush. I'm now going to do my under eye, and I'm going to take this same dark purple here that I took in my crease. I'm just going to smoke that out along my lower lash line. So next, in my waterline, I'm going to take my NYX white gel liner. Now that I've added that white eyeliner, I am going to just add a little bit of mascara to my lower lashes. So the last thing I'm going to do to my eyes is take some highlight on the inner corners. For my bronzer, I'm just taking the same one that I always take from Too Faced. Now I'm just going to take some of my Becca Cosmetics highlighter to highlight my cheekbones. I'm also going to highlight the tip of my nose and my cupid's bow with this. Because I've gone really bright on the eyes today, I'm going to take my new nude lipstick from Urban Decay in the shade Stark Naked. So this is my finished makeup look, and I'm really pleased with how it's turned out because I never really use colourful eyeshadows. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.